Hello students, today we are going to start our next topic, that is filtering data. MX Excel lets you display the records which met certain criteria and conditions specified. It temporarily blocks or hides the unwanted data from being viewed. This feature is called filtering. MX Excel provides basically two filter commands, that is filter and advanced. In filter command, it is used for simple criteria and advanced command is used for specifying complex criteria. To apply simple criteria, first you have to create a database as I have done over here and select any cell within the range of your database. Now click on the data tab and click on the filter button in the sort and filter group. As soon as you click on the filter button, you can see that a small drop down arrows appear at the bottom right of each column header, indicating that filtering feature is enabled. Each arrow contains condition to filter the selected field. Now click on the drop down arrow next to the name column. The select all checkbox is selected by default. First of all, clear the select all checkbox. Now select the option for which you want to display it on your window. So here I am selecting Amit and Kunal. As soon as you click on the OK button, you can see that the Excel filters the list and displays only the record that met the specified condition. That is, the record related to Amit and Kunal. So in this manner, you can apply a simple criteria to your data. Now next comes how to remove a filter. To remove a filter, go to the data tab and you can click either on the clear button or filter button in the sort and filter group. So you can click on it and you can see that your filter that was applied before has been removed. So this is what a simple criteria is based upon. Next we'll start the advanced command, that is custom filtering. In custom filter feature, it is used to quickly filter data based on certain conditions. Now suppose here you want to display the record where total marks are greater than 250 but less than 300. In such a situation, you can use the custom filter option. To apply the custom filter, first create a database and assume that the filter is applied to the specified range. So here I am applying the filter option on my database. Now click on the drop down arrow of the total field and go to the number filter option. Select the custom filter option present over here and you can see that the custom auto filter dialog box appear. Now to display only those records where data is in the range of 250 to 300. Now specifying the criteria, click over the drop down menu and click over here is greater than or equal to. So greater than or equal to 250 but less than 300. Make sure that the AND button is selected over here. Now as soon as you click on the OK button, you can see that the Excel displays only that record that specified the condition you have provided in the custom auto filter option. So the total marks comes out to be greater than 250 but less than 300. So in this manner you can create an advanced filtering or a simple criteria filter by using filter option present in the sort and filter group. Thank you, students.